Hi Ben, I'm making this recording just for you. This is the way I'm going to do the recording. I'm going to play this first line. I'm going to play it kind of slowly so you can learn it and play along with me. And the words that go with the first line are, wish that I was on old Rocky Top. Again. This is line number 2, and the words are down in the Tennessee hills. Again. This is line number 3. The words are ain't no smoggy smoke on Rocky Top. Again. This is line number 4. The words are ain't no telephone bills. Again. And line number 4 begins verse 2. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top. Again. Next line is half bear, other half cat. Again. And the next line is wild as a mink, but sweet as soda pop. Again. The next is I still dream about that. Again. And this is the chorus. Rocky Top, you'll always be. Again. Next line has a new pitch in it. This pitch is called B flat. I have it in bold. That B is B flat, the big B and a little b. Okay, so the B flat fingering is thumb 1, 3. You'll notice that the A is open. So I leave that open so I get the B flat. Basically the B flat is like a black key because we have the A and then we have the B white keys, but you have the black key in the middle on a keyboard, and that's what this is. This is called forked fingering, as you can see, because it looks like a fork with a missing tine. Thumb 1, 3. That's the B flat. Make sure you match that. And the words are home sweet home to me. Again. One more because of the B flat. Great. Next line is good old Rocky Top. Again. You got to really practice this one because you have to put those 2 fingers down at the 2 fingers here and the 2 fingers here. So you got to work on that. The next one is Rocky Top, Tennessee. last line is Rocky Top, Tennessee.